Deeks from RDC Fine Homes. I am here at our Whistler Net Zero renovation. This is day one of assembling our panelized walls that we fabricated in our shop over the last 5 weeks. You can see we got black tusk cranes set up and they've done a great job first day in getting the wall panels in. Schedule from here is they'll get the remaining walls on this main floor that you can see here. They'll get those remaining walls in. You can see the walls that are remaining sitting on the trailer here. They got about 3/4 of them done today. And of course we are assembling our BASF HP Plus wall system. As you can see from this wall right here, that gray material you can see on the outside of the wall, that is our EPS graphite impregnated neopore insulation. And that gives us an extra R10 on the outside of our walls, so we can meet the performance values that we need to hit for our net zero label with CHBA's net zero labeling program. The tape that you see that says 3M on it, I'll zoom in a little bit here. You can see that 3M tape. That taped onto our neopore is what creates our weather resistant barrier, so we can avoid all that messy Tyvek flapping in the breeze when it comes time to finish up our building envelope. So stay tuned over the next 3 or 4 days, and by Thursday afternoon, late in the day I suspect, we'll have a roof on my left hand side here, and then over what you can see on this side, which is the kitchen, living room, dining room, we've got a timber package coming from Fraser Wood Industries in Squamish. That timber package is still about 10 days to 2 weeks out, but when that gets installed, we will have completed the framing on this fantastic renovation. So stay tuned, updates to follow. And of course, if you want to follow along on this exciting project, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel or follow us along on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks.